Welcome to my channel. Today we're starting with one of the most important topics in web development, HTML tags. HTML tags are the basic building blocks of every web page. They're used to define and structure content. Each tag is enclosed within angle brackets. Most tags come in pairs, an opening tag and a closing tag. Tags tell the browser how to display text, images, links, and all other elements. Without them, a web page would just be plain text. That's why HTML tags are absolutely essential for web development. Now let's look at some of the most common HTML tags you'll use. Doc-type HTML defines the document type. HTML tag is the root element of any HTML page. Head tag contains meta information, like the page title and metadata. Title tag sets the title that appears in your browser tab. Meta tag defines metadata, like description and keywords. Link is used to connect external resources, like CSS style sheets or icons. Style tag allows you to add CSS directly inside the HTML file. Script tag lets you add JavaScript for interactivity. And body tag is where all the main content of your page lives. Heading tags are used to define titles and subtitles on a web page. They range from H1 to H6. H1 is the most important heading, and by default it's the largest text. It is usually the page title, and it has the highest importance for SEO. H2 is for section headings, directly under your main heading. H3 is for subsections under H2. Then H4, H5, and H6 keep going smaller and less important. Always use only one H1 per page. Keep your headings in order, H1 followed by H2, then H3, and so on. Headings aren't just for looks, they help with SEO, and they make your content more accessible for screen readers. Meta tags are a little different. They provide metadata, or information about your web page, to browsers and search engines. Meta tags always go inside the head section, and they don't actually show up on the web page itself. So even though visitors don't see meta tags, they're super important for how your site performs and how search engines understand it. And that's a quick introduction to HTML tags, the building blocks of every web page. We covered what tags are, some of the most common ones, how headings work, and why meta tags are so important for SEO and browsers. If this video helped you understand HTML better, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more web development tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.